Here I have SONY Xperia L3 and let me show you how to find IMEI number on the following device. So let me start with the quicker method. So let's first open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And now, as you can see, here are your IMEI numbers. So that's it, just tap OK to go back to your home screen. And now let's go to the second method, a bit longer, but it will also show you the serial number of your phone. So just open the list of all applications. Then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. And now go to About Phone, so it's the very last icon. And here just pick Status, so it's the second tab. Scroll down a bit and pick IMEI information. So as you can see, here are your IMEI numbers. And let's go back. If you will scroll down a bit, here you will notice serial number of yours. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.